Hello, everybody. My name is Carlos Frederico. The people call me as Dr. Cavalcanti, and we're excited to show you TEM, Tokenized Academic Network, and Web3 Infrastructure for Global Education. The team is I and Bianca. Bianca, go on with the presentation.
So TAM is a Cosmos-based blockchain infrastructure that allows educational institutions to issue academic NFTs for each course that are validated in real time. These NFTs carry full academic metadata and are recognized across a global network of institutions, enabling seamless student exchange, powered by Cosmos SDK, Cosmosm, and interchain protocols. So academic mobility today is really painful. Cross-border recognition of credit is manual, bureaucratic, and often blocked by outdated systems. So students lose time, money, and opportunities because credentials aren't portable or verifiable. So with TAM, each course is tokenized using ERC 721 or CW 721 standards, and students carry these credentials in a Web3 academic passport, a digital wallet. So smart contracts automate equivalence validation in institutions from a permissioned consortium, using interchain logic to ensure trust and interoperability. So our mission is to enable true international exchange, bring Web3 into education, and foster collaboration between academia and various institutions around the world, like in startup hubs. Onboard university into the Cosmos interchain, education becomes decentralized, transparent, and student-centric. So here's how it goes. Um, a course is completed, an NFT is issued. If it enters the student's wallet, and equivalence is validated instantly by any partner institution. This allows cross-institution degrees, cross-validation, and even auto-completion when program requirements are met. So who can use TAM? TAM serves multiple audience. University for credit mobility, students to build global academic journeys, DAOs and hubs to certify real world learning, and governments to scale skill certification. And why it matters? For students, it's freedom and recognition. For institutions, it's global visibility and trust. For the Web3 ecosystem, it's a real world, high impact application of Cosmos that bring infrastructure with education. So that's our roadmap. We are executing this in four clear phases: MVP and tokenization protocol in phase one, phase two, pilots with to five international institutions, phase three, launch of the Web3 academic passport, and phase four, expansion into hackathons, hubs, and DAOs. Um, TAM is built on Cosmos SDK, option, optionally interoperable with Ethereum and Substrate. We use CW721 FTs and compatible wallets and oracles for institutional validation. Cosmos, Cosmos, the smart contract from Cosmos handles all the logic, like prerequisites, program, no progress, scheduling, and issuing of degrees, and fully on chain. We are connecting with pioneers like the Stanford Blockchain Program, FGV Blockchain, and Lugano Plan B. Educational DAOs and communities like Encode Club, Build Space, and Hacker House are ready to be on board. So TAM. operates on a three-pronged model. The first one, symbolic NFT minting fees. The second, institutional subscription plans. And the third, Web3 grants and sponsorships. Web3 grants and sponsorships. This model keeps the project accessible, scalable, and community aligned. So with TAN, education becomes global by design, verifiable by architecture, and borderless by principle. We don't just validate learning, we tokenize it, connect it, and trust it across borders. So thank you for your attention. We invite you to help us co-create the future of education on the Cosmos Interchain. So on here you can see a little bit of the application. You have the institutions that can upload the contents of the course, so they can be verified by the contract, and so they can issue if it equals to another course or not. So there's two modes, like the institutional and the student. Institution can upload the courses, the subjects, the content, and the student can request equivalence. Like if he wants to know if calculus 1 in Bogotá is the same as calculus 1 in São Paulo, he can do that. He just gotta request equivalence, choose the institution gotta be registered, and choose the subject and request equivalence. And you can also see the progress. Here we can see the subjects that will be issued as an NFT when they are completed and put into a wallet, the student's wallet. So, and you can also accompany the graduation status. And when the last NFT is issued, the smart contract will issue the degree without the need of the institution to do all the bureaucracy. And we also got the curriculum tree, which shows the courses, the subjects registered on the course that is registered on the institution. So you got two kinds of access here. Let me see. Oh yeah, here. The the progress here is not it doesn't represent the real data right now, because the blockchain is empty. I had to reset it because I was making some tests, and unfortunately I didn't have enough time to build the data again. But the whole idea is very functional, and it has a very bright future. So do you want to add something, Fred?
Good, excellent, Bianca. Well, it's a very interesting system. Then, if you have any questions, you are open to answer anyone. Thank you very much for attention. Bye.
Eu tava